Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
The Flippin Frog XL delivers minerals to your pool through the use of a floating dispenser. When the chlorine cartridge runs out, it flips over to let you know it is time to replenish. Using the Flippin Frog XL in your pool is a no mess, no guess, and no stress situation. Cartridges come pre-filled and are very easy to switch out. Utilizing both silver chloride and traditional chlorine kills bacteria in two different ways, but also allows chlorine use to be reduced by up to 50%. The floating frog has different settings for different pool sizes, allowing the minerals contained in the floater to last all summer, while the chlorine typically lasts 3 to 4 weeks, as you only need to keep its level at a low 0.5 parts per million. The pH of the pool is also kept in range, while the use of silver increases the softness of the water for a more pleasant bathing experience. The Flippin Frog XL works with pools that are 5,000 to 10,000 gallons, which are usually 18 feet to 21 foot rounds. Minerals also last about 6 months, and the chlorine cartridge also lasts 3 to 4 weeks. Using pool mineral systems to help keep your pool or spa clean, using significantly less chlorine or bromine. This mostly eliminates that well-known pool smell that comes from dealing with chloramines. The Flippin Frog XL is very easy to use. On the back of the box is the chart that helps you to find the correct setting for a chemical release, which is based on the gallons of water that your pool contains. Open the box and you will see that the Flippin Frog XL comes in 2 pieces. The top mineral section is green and the orange bottom section is the chlorine. These chlorine cartridges can be purchased again when they run out. Located on the bottom of the chlorine cartridge is the dial you would use to adjust chlorine level based on your pool size. To connect the 2 pieces, flip the orange chlorine cartridge so the dial is on the bottom. The green mineral section clips into the grooves on the orange section and locks into place. To separate the 2 sections, find the levers on each side of the orange section and depress. At this point, the Flippin Frog XL is ready to go to work. Usually, it's placed in the pool and is secured to something stationary in the pool via a small rope tether, which is also included in the box. When the floating device is empty of chlorine, it will actually flip over in the water with the green mineral section facing down. Replacing is very easy. The old cartridge will be a lot less heavy than at the beginning as the chlorine is now gone. You will need to order a replacement chlorine cartridge. They come in a package just like this one shown in the video. Just replace the chlorine cartridge and get back to having fun with your family and friends. Don't forget to also balance other aspects of your pool water. We would be happy to help, advise, and answer any questions that you may have. Visit our product page links in the description to purchase either the Flippin Frog XL or the replacement chlorine cartridges. Thanks for watching.